cyber scam review. As it's a Diwali occasion, everyone wants to buy clothes. So I am today with a new platform, OnBoss Supply, which mainly sells clothes. OnBoss Supply is a platform that is active for less than a year at the time of writing this post. They are trending because of the massive giveaways conducted by them, and the public is questioning their authenticity for the obvious reasons. To help you make an informed decision, we spent a lot of time researching them. The owners are unknown and there are a lot of things about them which are unpleasant to say the least. Plus, they do bring a few unique offers on the table. At the end of the day, to truly understand their business model, one needs to read their terms and conditions fully. Remember, when you're being attracted because of enticing offers, it does pay to be cautious. After all, no platform would truly spend a lot on marketing without having some catch, right? So to know everything about this platform, including the user feedback and gimmicks used by them, stick with me. OnBoss Supply is an online marketplace that mainly sells clothes. The product line is quite weird and they do sell a lot of things. The high amount of web traffic they receive proof that the people behind this company clearly know what they are doing. Collections offered are great, but the price is on the higher side of the scale and clearly they are trying to compete with big brands. One of the main things that earned this platform a lot of recognition is the aggressive giveaways conducted by them. Rules regarding participation might seem straightforward at first, but that is not the case. There are a lot of terms and conditions present and a few of things enforced by them are borderline anti-competitive. So you need to be careful before proceeding with them in any way. Most of the sales by this platform comes from men's and women's clothing. They do sell other things such as accessories, headwear and detailing products. As this firm is new, we cannot comment on the quality of goods. However, as the price is high, it is reasonable and rational to assume that they might deliver high quality end products. Tees, hoodies and tops are some of the most sold items. Just like we said before, their collections are great, and if you are not constrained by budget and they are willing to give them the benefit of the doubt, then chances are you might like most of the things you see on the interface. Building a brand directly translates into maintaining a transparent relationship and offering professional customer support. Any firm that focuses on user experience specifically is likely to last longer than others in the space. Unfortunately, OnBoss Supply does not share any information about the owners or employees. Even the name of the creators are not mentioned. They do have social media presence, but due to the lack of transparency, they have not gained any massive user base yet. The address mentioned by them appears to be genuine. In case you need to get in touch with their support team, then feel free to refer. Their email is chris@ownbosssupplyco.com. Address is OnBoss Supply LLC, 28265 Beck Road, Unit C15, Wixom, Michigan 48393. Whenever huge giveaways are unfolding, people are usually skeptical. Scammers have exploited giveaways to gain quick followership and dump on their own client base. As the past is not flowering, we cannot blame anyone that takes a conservative approach towards new firms. After all, losing money to online scam always stings, right? If you have lost money to any fraudulent platform or entirely online, then feel free to get in touch with us via the contact form which is on our official website. We will research your case and assist you in any way possible for free. OnBoss Supply runs promotions involving six figure. Few people have benefited from it. However, we cannot verify most of the things they say, and for the reason alone, we advise people to be careful with them. Moreover, their anonymous nature is also a concern, and their domain era also does not earn them any good reputation. Even their trust score is way too low. We are not saying that they are bluffing about everything, but it is better to take a conservative approach with them. There are some strange rules. There are a lot of things one needs to be aware of before entering the giveaways. From the eligibility criteria to the way the whole thing climaxes. Everything is outlined by them. Sadly, the rules are too rigid and it gives them total control over the entire situation. Of course, the drawing mechanism is fair. Nonetheless, something about it does not feel right and the entire thing exhibits smug at a certain level. If you are shopping on the platform solely to get a chance at winning the prize, then go through the entire term and conditions page carefully. Keep in mind the official rules are a bit technical and some people might find it overwhelming. Own Boss Supply does not allow refunds at all. According to them, due to the way the drawing is structured, they won't be able to allow any refunds. They do accept exchanges and the grace period offered is 60 days. All the standard rules apply and the shipping costs have to be taken care by the customer. At any point, if you need assistance or if you want to cancel the order or request for a different size, then get in touch with the support team. On average, the orders are said to be processed anywhere between 7 to 14 days. The time taken by them is too much and it might be a deal breaker for a lot of people. On the bright side, they do support a lot of payment methods including PayPal. If you want to take cautious approach to this firm, then use the e-wallet payment method as it enhances the security factor by a larger degree. Feedback regarding this platform is scarce and it's next to impossible to verify the testimonials. Though they are 1 year old, the lack of user input is a strange thing and it only drives people away from them. On social media platform, you can find a lot of mentions about them, but once again, there is no information that helps us confirm stuff. So the logical thing to do is sit back and allow time to reveal their real nature. Personally, we would not be comfortable sharing our details with them for any reason. Few prices may be attractive, but it is not worth risking our personal information, right? OnBoss Supply is a new and suspicious looking platform. They showcase a ton of questionable things and it is hard for anyone to trust them blindly. Trust score is below 3% and the absence of social proof are some of the main things that affect their brand image. As the data is not so optimistic about them, be careful and proceed only if you are confident about it. Do you like OnBoss Supply platform? Describe your experience in the thread given on our official website.